In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable margin investing in the Robinhood app. First, open the Robinhood app on your device and head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your account hub, where you can access settings, statements, and key features tied to your trading account. Make sure you're logged in and that your app is up to date so the menus match what you see here. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This opens the main navigation drawer. From here, select Investing. This section gathers all the settings that control how your account operates, including permissions and features related to trading and account types. Now, scroll down until you find Margin Investing, or in some versions it may appear under Account Type. Apps can look slightly different depending on updates, but you're looking for the area that describes margin access, borrowing, or account status. Take a moment to read any short descriptions on this screen so you have a clear idea of what margin does and how it affects your account. When you're ready, tap the button to enable margin. The app will guide you through prompts to complete the setup. Expect to see important disclosures about risks, interest rates, and maintenance requirements. You may be asked a few suitability questions about your investing experience and financial situation, as brokers are required to confirm that margin is appropriate for you. Review each screen carefully and confirm your choices only when you're comfortable. If any terms are unclear, use the on-screen links to read more details before proceeding. After you complete the prompts, your request will be submitted for review. Approval can be quick, but timing may vary. Once you're approved, your account will be switched to a margin account. That means you'll have the ability to borrow funds for trading, which can increase your buying power. You'll also see new indicators in the app, such as margin buying power and interest information. Keep in mind that borrowing comes with costs and risks, including interest charges and the possibility of a margin call if your positions move against you. It's a good practice to monitor your buying power and maintenance requirements regularly. To confirm everything is set, return to the investing section and check that margin investing is shown as enabled. From there, you can proceed with your trading strategy, keeping a close eye on your balances and any notifications related to margin. That's it, your margin access is now enabled. Trade carefully, stay informed, and make sure margin aligns with your goals and risk tolerance.